Welcome to the session that will demonstrate how to use the Magic Expand in Canva. You do need to have the paid version. It's possibly available if you log in with your school account, so keep that in mind. So use your education account. You're going to click on this to get the template. You're going to choose Edit Template. You're going to visit each slide to apply the Magic Expand. If you don't like the image, you can replace it by going to Photos over on the left. Since I paid for it, I could use any of these images that pop up. So I'll go ahead and type in something that I think would look good if I expanded it. So I'll go ahead and type in ocean. I will drag this image out and replace that image. Again, that's if you don't want to use the images that are available on this slide. You would then click on that image, go to Edit Image at the top, and choose Magic Expand. I'm going to choose Whole Page because I want that image to take up the entire slide. I will select it and choose Magic Expand. So this has popped up. If you look over to the left, you can click on the different images that have been generated, and that looks incredibly unnatural. This looks a little more natural. I think this one looks the most natural. If you do not like the choices that pop up over on the left, you can choose Generate New Results. I'm not too crazy about these as well. I'm not sure how often I can choose Generate New Results. Might be pushing the limits on this one. I finally found one that I think looks pretty natural, and it's filled in that extra space. So when you like it, you choose Done, and it will replace that slide. So you want to do that with these slides. Again, if you don't like the images provided, then go ahead and swap it off with your own image. When you get to the last slide, you do need to come up with your own image anyway. You want to choose images that will spread out to the entire slide to look natural. For example, if you did a busy crowd in the street, it might be a little funky. You might want to try that out just to see what that looks like. If it doesn't work, just redo the slide with something else. When you have finally completed all of the slides and you're ready to save it, you would choose Share in the upper right corner. Then you would choose Download, and you're going to go to the top for file type, click on that drop down menu and choose MP4 video. You can leave the default and choose Download. When it's done downloading, you would go to your Downloads folder, and this is where your presentation will show up for you to share with the world. This concludes the session on how to use the Magic Expand feature within Canva. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.